per day? Of course you can. We have the systems that will help you to do just that. All right. And you want a a system that is simple, a cookie cutter system that everyone can do. And that's what we have. Okay. We have that for you. We make it easy for people to do. Yes, you work hard, but you work hard smartly. So the next thing we go into is the 2 secrets of the wealthy. That's something else I shared in another video, but that becomes part of our philosophy. It becomes part of, the culture of thought. All right. And we go over, secret 1, proven simple business system that you can do and that anybody can do, and the other is leverage. And so you'll get all of that once you get this fast start guide here. Okay. Now this section, this is where the power is. This is where the power is. Okay. Think easy, effective ways to reach potential customers and business associates. Check the sources below. You will be able to share Shopfreemart with 30 or more people per day with the resources below. Okay. They will be able to help you reach your objectives. What are some of your objectives? Well, you want to build a profitable, successful online business. You want to reach somewhere in the neighborhood of 30 people per day. Okay. The neighborhood of 30 people per day, 6 days a week. We can help you do that with these sources. These sources are very powerful. They will help you to do that. Okay. And so you at least want to, and I'm not going to tell you what they are, because we're looking for people who are looking to investigate, looking for inquiring minds, people who want to know, people who want to go, people who want to get started, people who want to do something. Okay. Now, I will say this, that you will need to do at least 3 of these, at least 3. Okay. If not all of them. And they're so simple to do. Okay. They're very simple to do. And we're going to be adding more resources in the very near future. The other thing I just want to add really quickly is that, if you're looking for some strategies that you can use with any one of these sources, and you'll get there and look around, you'll be able to determine what you can do or what you might need. Then you simply text to me. Okay. Send me a text. We'll set up a time. We'll talk and we'll work on a strategy for you together. Let's do that. And my goal is to help people to build an incredible, phenomenal business. Okay. Now any help that you'll need, as you go through this, and we're actually also going to be adding on to this document, but right now it is ready to go. You're ready to go and get started in building your business. Okay. I want to re-emphasize this. Make sure you give me a text if you need some help, need some guidance in some area. You text me, or you can get with your sponsor, but I'm here to help the whole team. It doesn't matter who brings you in. I'm here to help you to grow your business. Okay. That's what I'm doing. That's what all of this is for. All right. Now, you'll also come here, check the video. There's a video here, and right here it says stay connected. This probably should be in red, but this is absolutely important. Remember, we talked about all of the people who I want to join in the conference calls, team members, non-team members, prospective team members, customers, potential customers, inquiring minds. This is where you will need to go right here. You'll need to go to stay connected. As a matter of fact, the link will be in the description area of this video. So get signed up if you want to be part of our conference calls. And I tell you something, they're going to be exciting. They're going to be powerful. Get signed up. I don't care where you are in the spectrum. All right. I don't care where you fall. Maybe you've been with Shopfreemart and you haven't done a thing, but now you're saying, I want to do something. Maybe you couldn't do something in the past, but now you're saying, I want to do something. Then get signed up and stay connected. All right. So that I can get this information out to you. Plus, you're going to receive some vital information along the way. All right. Now, as you can see here, we go into the principle of self-leadership. Oh my goodness. If we understand this, folks, if people understand this, this is absolutely powerful. And in our calls, we're going to develop this principle. We're going to share some things with you on leadership and self-leadership. These are absolutely powerful things that people who want to build a business should know. Okay? Okay, I want to leave you with this. Victory belongs to the most persevering. A lot of times, people just quit. They stop. When things get tough, it gets a little rough. Guess what? They go. Okay? They leave. They stop. They quit. All right? And this is an important note in our quick start guide. It's important to be mindful that in doing what you desire to do, seeing what you desire to see, know this, that trials will come. Okay? Trials will come. That's part of the process of success, of growing a successful, profitable business. Know that. But if you don't quit, you will win. I'm closing this on this thought. Success is very difficult without a good dose of persistence. Okay? And so we have a message even on persistence. And in a lot of our calls, man, we're going to be covering a lot of things that's going to help people to change their lives. There you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a phenomenally blessed day. Is that right? Yeah. A phenomenal, blessed day today. I'm Terry Brown. Again, before I quit, before I leave, before I go, grab that link. Get signed up. Get connected with me. All right? So that I can, once I get to a certain number that I'm looking for, then we're going to start these calls, and then we're going to help those that man, you'll be able to plug your people into the calls. All the team will be able to plug in, and guess what? You'll be able to bring people, prospects, all of that good stuff. That's what we want. That's what we have. That's what we're developing for our team. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. You be blessed today. Bye-bye now.